To pair your phone, go to settings. Next, scroll down until you see Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth. Next, select device management. Then search for device. Now you want to make sure that the Bluetooth setting on your phone is turned on, and if it is, then your phone will display on this list here. Once your phone shows up on the list, select it, and you'll be asked if the pin matches the pin on this screen. You click yes, and now your phone is paired. Now right here you can come back in under device management and unpair your phone at any time, switch between other phones that you have turned on, or even delete a phone from the memory.